Welcome to ESREA France. We're your source for English-speaking French real estate agents in all of France and French real estate information in English. Today we're discussing once again information that's valuable for people that are looking to rent real estate in France for residential personal habitation. And we're going to talk briefly about two taxes that you might be hearing about when you're renting property in France. Now, there's many different costs that you will have when you're renting property in France, but these we want to bring to your attention. There's two taxes in France commonly known as follows. One is the taxe de habitation, and the other is the taxe foncière. And we want to share that with you what they are. The taxe de habitation is the residence tax, and that is the tax that is payable by the person who's residing in the property. And if you're renting a property in France, and you're living in it, of course, this means that you're going to be paying the taxe de habitation. And according to the current rules and regulations, it's the person who's resident in the property on January the 1st of the year who's responsible for this residence tax. The other tax is the taxe foncière, and this is what we would call the property tax. And this tax here is the tax that is paid by the owner of the property. So when you're going to rent a property in France, in general, you are responsible for the taxe de habitation, so make sure that you find out what that amount is going to be, so you can save money for it to be able to pay it each year. And the taxe foncière, which is the property tax, is the responsibility of the owner. This is ESREA France. We're your source for English-speaking French real estate agents in all of France and French real estate information in English. Please check out our renter's guide, our French real estate renter's guide. There's a link to it below this video. And the guide is packed full of information regarding the documentation that you will need when you're renting a property in France, what the owners can ask you for, the landlord, documentation they're permitted to ask you for, what they cannot ask you for, what could be considered an abusive clause, a forbidden clause in a French rental agreement, and the different documentation that you will encounter so that there's less and less surprises for you when you're renting property in France to make the process more stress-free. Please visit our website, esreafrance.com, for more information. Bye for now.